Super excited. This week we're gonna unbox the MVP Paver T-Handle package and show you exactly what you can expect when this package arrives in your mail. After we unbox, we're gonna go through setup and then put it to use. Let's get this thing open. Make sure you don't cut too deep. Don't want to damage the goods inside. Packing slip. It's going to give me all my details of what to expect inside. This is the bag. This is the actual T-handle with the relief valve, the mounting switch here. Super cool. Got my charger. This is with the DeWalt batteries. However, keep in mind it can be used with Milwaukee. Got 2 batteries here. This is the hose. It's going to connect to the relief valve down to my pads. And then we have our 3 different size pads. And again, you're going to want to utilize the largest pad you can for the product that you're picking. That will be the most effective. That's the 6.5 13 for the 3-piece systems. And that's all that's in the box. All right, now let's get this unit set up. I'm going to take the T-handle. You'll notice this has a handle. This is for picking products off of a pallet once you have it vacuumed down. So on the 6.5 13, this does hinder the hole right here. So I'm simply going to reverse this, turn this around, make sure these are on opposite sides. The aluminum knobs come on the 6x6 standard. And that's the nice part about the T-handle. It really is versatile for using with the different pads. It's just these 2 knobs. You're just simply swapping them fairly quickly, and you can swap the different size. This has the adjustment in the handle for different heights. And I'm fairly short, so I'm going to keep it fairly low. And we did make it so it locks all the way down tight. This here is a locking knob just to keep from, so you have a little bit of play. It just gives you a little bit more control when you're laying your pavers. You don't have to worry about that shucking around a little bit. So now when it comes to my vacuum motor, we do have this flange. This would be if you were going to go direct into the hose to whatever product you want to pick. Again, certain packages, you would maybe choose that option. However, for this, we're not, because we've developed this unit to simply lock right onto here. So I'm just going to push on, make sure it's sealed nice and tight. That way there, we're making sure this is tight. We don't want any air leaking. Obviously, vacuum is very crucial. You do not want any air leaks. I got my brand new batteries, and I have the DeWalt, but you can get Milwaukee. It'll run off of either one. So I'm locked on. I'm set up here. The next step is just to hook up my hose. This you're simply going to push on. Again, it should be a nice tight fit there. Bring this around, and I'm going to simply lock it again. These are tight fittings because we don't want any air leaking at all. You want to make sure it's sitting down tight. This allows me to pick off a pallet and then to be able to set. My on-off switch is here. So I can vacuum down that way. The other option I want to show you is our handle, or our on-off switch, I should say, that fastens to the handle. This is an on-off switch, and it simply locks into this interlock section here. So that's all I'm going to do is just drop it down on there. This comes around. There's a part here I can unscrew. This has a certain particular way that it goes, so if you just kind of nest it in there and just put light pressure, as you spin it, you'll find the sweet spot. This doesn't have to be cranked up super tight, just snug it up. This allows me then to use my on-off button to vacuum down. And when you're getting that shucking like that, that means that you've got adequate vacuum. And this is going down to a solid surface. Sometimes a porous product, you'll get more airflow through the product and you won't get that shucking. But that is a good sign that you've got ample vacuum to be able to pick what the pads are rated for. So the beauty part about this, Teco's new Blue 60, my next layer is going to lay right in here, and then I'll just swap the square and the Twinkie. They'll have not a single X in this pattern. So this week you've seen the MVP Paver T-Handle package. We also have other packages, multiple packages that couple to the MVP. We have the MVP starter package, which is a great package, includes a 2-man handle. This is great for your large slab work. Also can be coupled to an excavator in that same package to set mechanically with a machine. We also have our machine package, which is specifically for installing with an excavator, loader, whatnot, and that's capable of up to about 700 pounds, coupled to this unit with some of our larger pads. Great package for all your different needs. Obviously, it's focused really on a lot of your porous products. Man-made products are porous, pulls the air through it, so you need a lot of high flow vacuum, and that's exactly what this unit does. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, check out the video here. This will compare using a unit such as this compared to our Multi-6, which is mechanical installation. Be sure to click the links down below. If you're not sure which package to get, you can give us a call. Also, make sure to check in with your local dealers. As we continue to grow our dealer market, they've been super helpful. If you're still here, click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.